From an early age, I always wanted to find out how things work. Pin toys, marble runs, my first Lego robot. Anything that somehow had something to do with technology was exciting. Later on, I was fascinated by computers. I began to dream of what is possible with modern technology. How far can artificial intelligence develop? Where are its limits? How can they be moved? And how can I contribute? I soon found out that it is a long path to the top of IT and that it starts with a solid education. So I used the e-learning courses offered by TÜV Rheinland Academy alongside my normal education. The basic seminars for all usual office programs were a good basis. I can still make use of these for calculations and presentations today. I liked the Academy and its structure at that time, and so I came back again and again. I also discovered the advanced seminars in IT. The expertise I gained here gave me the confidence I needed to set up my own startup. Together with two friends, we now have our own company. Here we develop applications that help insurance companies to make the right decisions more quickly in routine cases. One of my big dreams has already come true with my role as CTO in my own company. But for my startup to continue to grow, it is essential for me to always remain at the cutting edge of technology. We use the in-house seminars at TÜV Rheinland Academy, among other things, for this purpose. They provide us with the latest information and current best practices, which are precisely tailored to our requirements. What my team and I like most about it is that all the content is highly topical and communicated in such an exciting way that it stays longer in our minds. For us, this is an ideal solution, which we will continue to maintain in the future. Many thanks to TÜV Rheinland Academy for the great support and for the fact that I can continue to dream.